Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A couple of days ago, I made a video, and I should have called it string art. Somebody had a difficulty trying to figure out how to put lines around a different item, but I just kind of came up with this. To make this diamond pattern perfect, it's not as easy as it looks. You can't just draw you might be able to draw a square and mush it. You know what? Let's try that. Let's draw a square. I didn't thought about that. Rotate it 45 degrees. And it is, let's make it, wow, it's huge. Let's make it 15 inches by 15 inches. If we make it, I'm just testing it out. With my ratio unlocked, I'm going to make it 7.5. You know what? This might work. And if it works, I made a six-sided star and divided it. Well, let's see if this works. Control D and make a duplicate. Double click on the rotation and put it right there. Okay, see we're at a weird degree. So the two things we can do, we could add 60, or you can take the Smart Fill tool and move that over. The Smart Fill tool makes a new object. So now we're at 0. Control D and move the center rotation to there. And let's rotate it 60 degrees. And if the lines match up, say they don't. So that theory is blown out of the water. So what I'm going to do is take a star that is six-sided, and I'm going to make this thing flat. So I'm going to go downhill till about, let's go to 33. 33. And I would check it with indexing lines, and we're dead on. So that's going to be our factor, and we're just going to take a 2-point line and go from there. So I'm going from the inside nodes to the inside nodes, and I get that shape, and now we know it's going to work. So now I'm going to take my Smart Fill tool and move that over. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to do what I just did a couple of days ago with a little bitty line. You know, I always do that. Start moving it and then hold down your control button. That's really too long. So let's make it a little bit shorter. We just want a little line. And then we're going to shift select the path and go object, fit object to path. And I've kind of learned on this shape, you need to do a odd amount. And see, now we got lines. We're really close to right on the corner. Now I'm going to go ahead and make all these black, and I'm going to group them together. And then what I'm going to do is Control D, move it over, move the two-sided or the rotation, and I'm going to rotate it a negative 60 degrees because I want this pattern right here. And this might even look cooler if you did more lines. And I just for the video, I decided just to do one. Now I draw in red hairlines. So I'm going to go from there to there and excuse me, and then kind of zoom in because I think I said the other day, you need to go from the center to the center for this to work. And this is one that we can cut out part of this work by flipping this. See, so we already got one. You know what? I bet we could flip it all. I don't know that I grouped this together. You know what? I'm going to shift select that one and Control G to group it. Now, those two parts are different. So I'm going to try flipping this. Okay, I don't have it grouped. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it. Put the center rotation of that node and put it up so it's 120 degrees. Kind of thought that's what it was. But now we need one on the outside. So I'm going to Control D. Oh, you know what? That might even work, but that's not going That's not how I want it to go. I'm going to select that one, Control D. While holding down the control button, I'm going to flip it, and look at that. Now I can just move these out of the way. And I'm going to group this together, Control G, Control D, and move this center rotation right to that node and rotate it 120 degrees. I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? Maybe it's 60 degrees. There we go. It's 60 degrees. Control D, 120 degrees. Control D, Control D, Control D. Look at that pattern. Easy. And I only had to put 2 sets of lines. Now let's make them all yellow just to make them stand out, and put a black box around it so you can see it better on your video, on your screen. Object, order, back a page. And since we rotated and made it so simple, you could put a lot more lines. A lot more, like, I don't know if you could put double, but that's pretty cool. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.